guys, it's Lana here, and today I wanted to show you guys how to Dutch braid your hair, because I do this in loads of my videos and I know that some of you don't know how to do it. Sometimes I don't give you the most in-depth explanation. Sometimes it's hard to show on curly hair because there's like a lot going on. So I decided that while I've still got straight hair, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on straight hair, because I don't know if that's just going to help with the explanation or not, but anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. That's not to say that it's easier to do on straight hair or anything. I personally find if I try to do somebody else's hair who's got straight hair, like I struggle because the hair is a lot more like slippery and it doesn't stay where you put it. Like I prefer to do this on my naturally curly hair, and I always prefer to do like textured hair, especially if it's like cornrows or something really intricate. This is definitely not saying that this kind of thing is easier to do on straight hair at all. I just feel like it may help some of you to just see a little demo, I hope. So make sure to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe, because I am uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. It's going well so far. Oh my gosh, we made it all the way through February and it's going well. I can't believe it. It was only supposed to be like a February thing, but I think I'm gonna make it last until March. Get me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, because I really want to hear from you guys, because I'm uploading all the time over there and it's just really nice to see you guys, especially if I know that you're from YouTube and I see you over on Instagram. It's pretty cool. It's a nice feeling to see that you're like on both platforms. So make sure you do that, and let's go ahead and get on with the video. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is section your hair. It depends how many braids you're going to want to do. So I am just going to go with 2 braids. So we're going to split our hair right down the middle. So you want to split it. I did say that this is my last day having straight hair as well, so I haven't washed my hair in about a week. My hair's looking a little bit flaky. We don't need to hear about it, okay? Everybody sees what you see. Okay. I'm kidding. You guys can comment whatever you like under my videos. Do you know, also I make so many videos where I'm having to look up. I think I'm gonna start getting wrinkles right here. I need to come up with a new format where I'm not like looking down like this. So I also think this is kind of a habit of mine. I always work on this side first and then I do this side. I don't know why I do that. I realized that I also needed a detangling brush, so I just quickly whipped out these 2. They're both by Tangle Teezer. This one used to say Tangle Teezer right there, but it's rubbed off because I used it so much. And this one still says Tangle Teezer because it's like embossed in. Everybody should go and comment on Tangle Teezer's post and tell them to sponsor me, because how long have I been using Tangle Teezer for? Hashtag not sponsored. You want to go ahead and tangle tease. You've got no tangles. So this is why I kind of felt like it would help for you guys to see this on straight hair, because like obviously it's a lot easier to get the tangles out and stuff on straight hair. It's a lot quicker process. Final look is going to look a little bit different though. See, I like to do this on kind of old hair, and from what I've heard from my friends who have got naturally straight hair, it's better to do these kind of styles on older hair, because it means that you've got, not to be gross or anything, but it means that you've got a bit more oil up here, and oil's not gross, let's be honest. It's not gross, it's good for your hair. So it means that there's a bit more of like tackiness up here to kind of hold the style in place. You wouldn't want to be doing this on fresh hair if you did have naturally straight hair. This part literally depends on what kind of braid you want, because obviously you can have your braid starting back here if you want to, but if you want a braid that starts really high up on your head, then you're gonna have to start really high up on your head. So I like to start literally with a tiny section like this. So you want to make sure all of this bit is tied out of the way so it doesn't get in the way of this braid that you're working on, because you want to kind of make sure that you've got nice clean lines. So then you've got 3 sections, see? 3 sections, just like you were going to do a normal braid. When you usually do a braid, you want to start putting this over like this, and then this goes over into there. But when you're doing it inverted, it needs to go under. So you see, let's bring back our 3 pieces. So when you're going to do it inverted, this goes under the middle section and it becomes the middle section, okay? And then you go to the other side and this comes under the middle section and this becomes the middle section. And this goes under the middle section and it becomes the middle section. But then, once you get here, so once you've done a couple of passes right there, then you want to start bringing a piece in. Every time you take a piece under and it becomes the middle section, it takes a piece of hair with it. So now that's the middle section, you see, and now it's thicker. So then this piece of hair right here needs to come under the middle section and become the middle section. But as we bring it under, we're going to bring another piece of hair in. It's going to come under and it's going to become the middle section. So then we're going to do this piece. We're going to attach a piece of hair to it and it's going to go under and it's going to become the middle section, you see? So you need to do this for a few passes before it's even going to look like anything. So you Kind of want to make sure it's a nice clean piece of hair. Bring it under. You want this to look really tight. You're going to want to get into the habit of holding it upright. So instead of pulling it down like this, you're going to want to start holding it upright. So you're kind of braiding high. It's definitely an arm workout. So then we're going to do this section right here. Piece is going to come in. And you can use your comb to make sure that it's going to look smooth as it goes into the braid. The section that you take needs to be as thick as what you're working on. If you want it to be a nice tight braid, then you need to take small sections at a time. See, I could go ahead and I could take this whole section right here and pull it all in, but I want this to be a really tight braid. So I'm taking small sections like this. And you're going to pull it tight. And we're not just taking like this piece of hair and then going like this, because it means we're going to end up with loads of hair back here. So if you want it to be thick, you need to take this whole piece right here. And when you get to here, you're going to make sure that it's tight to your head. So you're going to make sure that you keep pulling it really tight over here. Otherwise you might end up with it looking quite baggy around your ears. So make sure you're pulling it tight over here. And remember, the braid is going to sit where you put it. So I'm putting mine high on my head because that's where I want it. If you want it down here, then you just want to start braiding down here and you pull it down here because that's where you want it to be. Oh, my arms! And then when you run out of hair, you just want to carry on like it's a normal braid, a normal inverted braid. You're still putting your hair under instead of going over with it because it's still an inverted braid. And then you just want to do this right until the end. And then you need to take a little hair tie and just tie that off right there. What we can do to make this thicker is you can start pulling pieces out of the braid. So to make this look super thick, just start pulling, and you want to start pulling from the bottom just to make sure that there's actually hair to pull from. And if you made a bit of a mess with your ponytail, just go ahead and tie that back up again. So that's how I like to get mine to look really thick. Of course, you can use extensions or some extra hair. You can braid that in, but that's like a different tutorial for a different day. This is just like the quickest way really to get your own hair to look thicker. It's literally just by pulling it apart once it's been braided. So we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. So obviously it really helps if you don't have tangles in your hair. You don't really want to be doing this if your hair's not doing detangled. Does anybody else hate that sound when you're detangling your hair and it literally sounds like you're trying to drag a lawnmower through it or something? I get tangles like this. Gotta be finger detangling. I'm not gonna drag a comb through that. What did I say about the flakiness, guys? I know it's there. I know it's there. You haven't got a comment about it, okay? I'm washing my hair today. What you can do, because I didn't do it on this side and I'm kind of regretting it, but what you can do is take something like this. This is the Sleek Serum by L'Oreal. I am gonna pop this over here. This is really gonna help to smooth down any flyaways, because I've got some wispy flyaways over here, and you know, it's just gonna give you that cleaner look, that sleeker look, more of a baddie look, because this is kind of cute. This side's gonna be a little bit more baddie. Oh! Like, I know people say that hair is dead, but I swear my hair can feel pain. Or I feel my hair's pain. So again, we're gonna take a small section like this, right? 3 pieces. We're gonna go under and into the middle. We're gonna go under and into the middle. I like to do it for just at least one pass before I start bringing pieces in, because I feel like it really secures the braid. So now that we've done that, we're going to take a piece, small sections, and we're going to attach it to this outside piece. It's going to go under and into the middle. This outside piece right here, we're going to attach a piece to it, and together it's going to go under and into the middle, right? So now this is the middle piece, this is the outside piece. So as it comes to the middle, we're going to grab a piece of hair and it's going to come to the middle. So I usually hang it over my hand just because I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. You guys are all going to figure out your own way to do this, like just from practice and just by doing it so often, you'll find your own way that feels most comfortable to you to do this. And then once you get to the end, just keep on braiding. Obviously you don't want to bring any more pieces in because there's no more pieces to bring in. So you're just going to braid right to the end. And I just want to say, if you guys think that my technique for braiding is a little bit weird, bear in mind I taught myself to braid. So this is just the way that I learned how to do it. So works for me. So again, you just want to tie this off down here. And then to make that thicker, we start pulling it out. So I really hope you guys found this helpful. Please tell me in the comment section down below whether you tried this out and how it went for you. If there's anything that you guys would like me to clarify, then again leave it in the comments and I will try my hardest to clear things up for you guys. I know I'm not the best braider in the world, but I have been braiding my own hair for years and I get lots of comments from you guys asking me to help you out. So please remember to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. I am posting videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I post lots of hair videos and beauty videos, lifestyle videos and all of that good fun stuff. Also turn on your notifications to make sure you don't miss it. And yeah, just help me get to 100,000 subscribers. I will be forever grateful to you, like beyond grateful. There's not even words to explain it. Like just to have that silver plaque that says you have 100,000 subscribers, that's gonna make my life. So please just help me out if you feel like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.